Hi, my name is Shayne Lowman. I'm a rising 2L at the University of Baltimore School of Law, and this summer I had the opportunity to intern at Maryland Volunteer Lawyer Service, and I wanted to share a little bit about what I've learned. All of the different areas of law I was exposed to have had an impact on me, from shadowing attorneys at the Consumer Protection Clinic to writing deeds and working at the Tangle Title Program. I can say that what I've learned at MVLS will stick with me throughout my legal career. Specifically in this video, I'd like to discuss what I've learned about expungements and how we, as a community, can continue to push the legislature for reform, making expungements more accessible to the public. Maryland has made great strides in this direction already by passing the REDEEM Act, which was implemented in 2023 and reduced the waiting times for already eligible offenses, as well as adding a new conviction to the list. In 2022, Maryland proposed a question to the public. They asked, do you think the recreational use of cannabis for persons over the age of 21 should be legal? The public answered yes with a 65% approval rating, and the legislation to create the rules and regulations surrounding this new freedom began. With the decriminalization of cannabis came hope for immediate expungement of cannabis possession charges, which is a huge accomplishment for Maryland and expungement reform. So the question is, what can we do to continue to advocate for in the Maryland legislature? Well, in 2024, there was a number of bills that came up to continue to improve expungements. This included the automatic expungement for eligible offenses, partial expungement or disbanding the unit rule, which blocks cases from being expunged even if one or more of the charge in the case is eligible, but the others are not. Also, allowing good cause rule that gives judicial discretion over expungement cases or cases otherwise ineligible. And finally, barring probation violations from preventing expungements. Unfortunately, none of these bills passed this year, but they are a step in the right direction and should be advocated for in the next legislative session. Ultimately, having a criminal record can be a huge barrier for people trying to enter the workforce, find suitable living arrangements, or even securing childcare. There also continues to be a social stigma around criminal records that affect people's mental health, which is why it's imperative to continue to push the Maryland legislature to lessen the restrictions and make expungements more accessible. Thank you.